Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. We are in black and white today, and that is because today's video is a makeup bingo. I'm gonna be randomly generating some products to create the look that is hiding under here. And I'm very excited because this video is also sponsored by Oden's Eye. Oden's Eye is one of my favorite brands. They are a Swedish indie brand and I absolutely love them. They have some of my favorite products in my collection and I always look forward to seeing what they come out with. I've worked with them quite a few times in the past, and in this video in particular, I'm working with them to talk to you about their upcoming Black Friday sale. For 3 days, they are going to be having 40% off all of their products, all of their collections, and I'm super excited about that. It is going to be running from November 26th through the 28th. I'm going to look down really quick so I can give you some time zones because I know things can be a little tricky with the Swedish time zone versus like some other places. So it is starting on Friday the 26th at 8 a.m. Swedish time, which is also Friday the 26th at 2 a.m. EST. I will have all of these time zones down below just in case you get confused. And then it is ending on Sunday the 28th at 8 p.m. Swedish time, which is also Sunday the 28th at 2 p.m. EST. So again, I will have all those details down below. So yeah, 40% off the entire site, and you can use my affiliate code battybean to save an additional 10%. The only thing my affiliate code does not work on is the Legendary Diversa collection, which was the 3 palette collab with Annette from Annette's Makeup Corner, Tina from The Fancy Face, and Judy. That collection is still discounted on its own, but you can't stack my affiliate code. But you can stack my affiliate code on anything else. So use code battybean to save an additional 10%. Oden's Eye, thank you so much for working with me on this video. I'm really excited about this video. It was a fun way for me to kind of showcase a lot of the different products. I talk about their blushes, their highlights. I actually show you every single palette in this video before I randomly generate one. We play with some lip products. It's all good things. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and move on in and we will randomly generate some makeup. All right, hello, how's it going? We're going to get into this makeup bingo. I've already done like my foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, the things that Oden's Eye does not carry in their line. I'm gonna be randomly generating my blush, my highlight, my eyeshadow, and my lip product. So let's get into blush first. In case you haven't seen a bingo from me before, basically I just like to put things in alphabetical order and then I randomly do it. There are 6 blushes from Oden's Eye in order. It's gonna be Apricot Girl, Little Jasmine, Ripe Papaya, Sweet Peach, Sweet Tulip, and then Water Lily. They have fruit and flower blushers. The fruit ones are matte, the flower ones are more shimmery satiny. I love all of them. Honestly, if there was ever a brand to do like a full makeup bingo with like I'm doing today, this is one of the best ones because everything goes together so nicely. It's a very concise brand. I don't know how to explain it because it's not like everything looks the same. Everything just goes together really well. So I have a random number generator pulled up, 1 to 6, because there are 6 blushes. And I'm gonna be using the first one. So that is Apricot Girl. This is actually my favorite of the fruit ones. It's just a very cute peachy pink. Love this one. So let me apply this. Just gonna pop some on my little cheeks right here. This is such a cute color. I actually really want them to come out with some new blushes because it's been a while since these first came out. And I would love to see more from them. Even maybe a blush palette or something to go with their highlight palettes. I think that'd be very fun. Ooh, or even some cream or liquid blushes. That would be so cool. I'm gonna top some on my nose because I love how it looks. I've already put on a few fake freckles, but I'm just gonna add a couple more because I tend to do that in between my blush and highlight steps. So I'm just going to add a couple more just so I have some defined ones. And then we will move on to the highlight. Okay, so for highlight, I kind of have 11 that we're gonna be going between. I'm going to just kind of organize it as the palettes and then the singles. So the Alva 2 palette will be like the first one, so it's gonna be numbered like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the Soul Main palette right after, so it'll be like 5, 6, 7, 8. So then the last 3, the 9, 10, and 11 will be the Mesmerizer highlights in alphabetical order. So we have Spring of Life, Veil of Future, and Web of Destiny. So I'm gonna reset my random number generator, 1 to 11. And I truly like and use all 11 of these, so I don't even care which one I get. And this blush is so, I don't know, I feel like versatile that I can wear it with everything. So let's see which one we get. We got number 4. So we're using the Alva 2 highlight palette and we're gonna use this shade right here, this beautiful kind of purpley duochrome. This highlight is so special. It just has such a pretty glow. It's not sparkly like some of the highlights, but it just has a really pretty ethereal purpley glow to it. Look at how soft and pretty that is. Just gonna dabble some on the nose as well. So moving on to eyeshadow, I have a huge pile precariously stacked right here already in alphabetical order. So there are 17 palettes. I'm gonna quickly just run through them in alphabetical order so that you can see them. We have the Alva palette, which is just very cute, romantic, rosy tones. The Alva 2 palette, which is like rainbow wonderfulness. It's so bright. The Amber Tears palette, it's a little book palette. It looks like that. It's very romantic. I love the pinky purple vibe. This is the Cat's Breath. It's such a cute turquoisey blue orangey palette. I love this one of my favorites. We have the Freya palette, which I believe this one's getting discontinued, but it's still on their website as of the moment that I'm filming this. We have the Giant Wolves palette in collaboration with Annette from Annette's Makeup Corner. I love this color story. This is the Hummingbird palette in collaboration with Tina from the Fancy Face. It is so colorful and so fun. The shimmers are so pretty. We have the Mini Forest, which is so cute. It reminds me of Legend of Zelda. This is the Mini Ocean palette, another kind of blue orange, but different than the Cat's Breath. The Cat's Breath was more like turquoisey teal. This is the Mini Sky. It's very cute, kind of pinky purple vibes, very romantic as well. This one is the Norns palette. It's like deep jewel tone colorful. Another one of my absolute favorites. This is the Red Dragon palette in collaboration with Judy. Super cute, warm autumn vibes. Love it. This is the Saga of Freya, which is kind of like a double book. So we have this side over here, and then we also have this side over here. This is the Schooled palette, which is kind of like just a really fun all shimmer palette. I really like the tones in here, and they are very shifty and pretty. The Soul Mane palette, which is one of the first palettes, I think actually the first palette I ever tried from them that made me fall in love with them. I love the colors in here. I love the pop of lilac and mustard. It's so cute. 2 more to go. I told you we had a lot of palettes to go through. This is the Erd palette. It looks like this. Green grunginess, I love it. And the Verdandi palette. This is kind of like a smoky peachy palette. It's very cute. 17 palettes. I'm not gonna do a bingo where I put 17 palettes worth of eyeshadows on my eyes. That is too many. I'm trying to create a cute look, you know? So in my bingos, I like to do 5 shades. So I'm gonna randomly generate 5 of the palettes. And then with each palette, we're gonna generate a shade from each palette. So let's see what we can get. There are so many possibilities that we could get today. Okay, so I'm setting my random number generator 1 to 17. Let's see which palette we get first. We got number 8. We got the Mini Forest palette. I love this one. It's so cute. Now I'm going to adjust it 1 to 16 since there's one less palette now. We got number 9. Okay. This time we got the Mini Sky palette. Another super cute one. There are so many pretty shimmers in here. All right, it's going to adjust it again 1 to 15 since there's another palette gone. We got number 7. We are sticking around the mid zone, aren't we? We got the Hummingbird palette. I think we're going to have a really colorful look today. Oh, it's so pretty. I kind of really hope we get this shade because it's so special. All right, adjusting again, 1 to 14. We got number 13. We got the Erd palette. I'm so excited. This is literally one of my favorite palettes from them, so this is exciting. I'm happy that we're getting a lot of these little palettes too. And finally, last palette, set it 1 to 13. We got number 11. We got the Schooled palettes. We're gonna be doing a really colorful, I think shimmery look today, and I'm really excited for it. I think this is gonna be a fun round. So what I'm gonna do now is just re-alphabetize them because I like it to be orderly, and then we're gonna randomly generate 1 shade from each palette. All right, so picking out our first shade, it's gonna be from the Hummingbird palette. I'm going to set my generator 1 to 12. Let's see what our first shade is. We got 7. We got the shade Hibiscus, and even though I wanted this shimmer, I'm not mad at this because I think this is gonna be a very shimmer heavy look, so I am happy to get a matte in there right off the bat because sometimes an all shimmer look can be a little more difficult to create. So we have Hibiscus right there. It's so pretty. Moving on to the Mini Forest. There's technically 5 pans in there, but it's a split pan, so I'm just gonna be doing it 1 to 6. We got number 5. Okay, we got another matte in there right off the bat. We're gonna use Little Deer. And again, I'm not mad at that. Do I wish it was maybe the turquoise? Sure, but I'm not mad at this either, because that'll play nicely with pretty much anything I put down. And then just keeping the same generator for the rest of the shades because they all have the same format. So for the Mini Sky palette, we got number 2. All right, clearly the palette bingo gods really want me to go for a certain vibe. This is Cloud. So far we have kind of a pinky neutral vibe going on today. I'm still not mad at it, but I'm curious what the last 2 palettes will give me. All right, generating again for the Schooled palette. We're guaranteed to get a shimmer because there's only shimmers in that palette. We got number 1. And I actually really like this shade Brilliant. I don't always go for orange eyeshadow, but this one just has such a beautiful shift to it. I mean, look at that. It's so sparkly and beautiful. So here is where we're at so far. Just look at how it shines. Oh, it's so pretty. And finally, last but not least, the Erd palette, which I'm really excited because the Erd is gonna definitely add a different tone into this. There's no like pinky neutrals in that palette. We got number 3. Oh, we got another pretty shimmer. We got Golden Year right there. Oh, it's such a pretty color. It's so pretty. It's so silvery blue. This is a fun little combo, actually. I feel like it's very concise. It goes together really well. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet, though. I guess I'm going to brainstorm and then I will come back and we will start playing with these shadows. Okay, so I have a pretty good idea on what I want to do. I'm just going to start by priming my eyes. Go ahead and prime your eyes with whatever you want to prime with if you are following along, playing along, recreating this. Ooh, I love the idea of you guys like doing your own palette bingo at the same time as me. Like specifically if you're also doing an Oden's Eye one as you watch this, let me know like which palettes you got, which shades you got, and let me know how your look turned out. I think that would be fun. Little conversation starter. So I'm gonna go in first right off the bat with Hibiscus from the Hummingbird palette. This is gonna be the majority of my crease. I'm just gonna take that on the FR2 brush from Oden's Eye, and I'm gonna focus this in the outer half of my crease and a little on the outer half of my lower lash as well. Oh, this color is just too good. It's so bright. I am gonna kind of heavily blow out the lower part of my outer corner. I love the effect that that gives. So that's kind of what I want to go for today. Just putting a lot of focus kind of out here in this outer region. I feel like it makes it look just very fairy-like and cute. So moving on to the next shade, I'm dipping into the Sky palette and I'm gonna go ahead and take Cloud and just kind of use Cloud to help blend and blow out this outer area even more. I'm gonna take that shade on the Oden's Eye FR1 brush. It's just a big fluffy brush. And again, I'm just gonna start working on these outer areas. I'm still gonna leave the inner part of my crease blank because I'm gonna use another shade for that. But for now, I'm just gonna go to town, just really blending and extending all of this shadow to get it very smoky. Just look at how soft and pretty that is. And I actually love the highlight choice that the palette bingo gods gave us. I think it's gonna go really nicely with these tones that we're playing with today. So moving on, now that I'm kind of at this stage, it's very blown out and very ethereal and I love it. I'm gonna dip in now into the Mini Forest palette and just take Little Deer. I'm actually gonna take it on that same fluffy brush I just used, but I'm gonna swirl it through that Oden's Eye brush cleaner thing. This thing is awesome. It just knocks off the excess product off your brush. I use this thing all the time. And it's great because then you don't have to dirty multiple brushes at the same time. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Little Deer, and this is just gonna kind of get blended in the front part of my crease. So it just kind of flows from this soft teddy bear brown into all the pinks that we have going on. And I am gonna make sure I'm really blending and swirling this in the front part. I find that when you put a little bit of extra blend and emphasis in the front area, it gives it kind of a grungier feel. So now that we're here, we're gonna work on the lid. I'm gonna dip into the Schooled palette, and I really just want Brilliant all over the lid. I think it's gonna look so beautiful and ethereal. And I don't even really wanna do it in cut creasy fashion. I just want it very blended and blown out everywhere. I'm gonna be using my Oden's Eye FR4 brush, and I'm just gonna use some glitter primer because I like to use this with every shimmer because it lets it pop even more than it can by itself. Like I do this with all of my shimmers in my entire collection. So I'm just picking up Brilliant on that same sticky brush, and I'm just gonna go to town. Oh my gosh. If you want wet looking eyelids, Oden's Eye has you covered. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what else they come out with. I am so pumped. I kind of hope they have another release this year. I don't know if they do, but I kind of hope they do. I love them so much. I'm just gonna take that first smaller blending brush I used with the pink just kind of lightly sweep right here so it flows from matte to shimmer nicely. I love how this is turning out. It's so pretty. But we still have one more shade to play with. It's gonna be Golden Year right here. And I actually kind of want to use that as like my inner corner and then kind of drag it on the lower lash line just a little bit. I'm just gonna use a pencil brush for that. This is my Oden's Eye FR6 brush. So I just want to press a little bit of this right here. Yeah, I'm just kind of dragging it on the first third of my lower lash line just to play with more of that shine. I actually quite love that as my inner corner highlight. So yeah, for now, I'm gonna go ahead and just throw on my lashes and eye pencil, and then we will randomly generate my lip color. Okay, so my look is almost complete, but now we need a lip product. With this, I just threw on some lashes and a pink eye pencil to complement the pink all in my outer corner. But now we need lips. Oden's Eye has 4 different lip formulas. They have lip stains and regular lipstick. With the regular lipstick, there's a matte formula and a cream formula, and then same with the lip stains. There's a matte and a cream. I really like all their lip products. The cream lip stains are my favorite from them, so I'm kind of hoping I get one of those, but I wouldn't really be mad with any of them. And I think most of the lip colors will go with this look. They do a lot of like pinks, reds, and neutrals. So I think most things will go with this. It just kind of depends on the undertones. So hopefully we'll be good. There are 18 total and I already have them alphabetized in front of me all the way from Apricot Girl to Water Lily. So I'm gonna randomly generate 18 shades and we will see which one we get. All right, 1 to 18, here we go, fingers crossed. We got number 17. Okay, so we got a regular lipstick. We got Tulip Kiss. This is one of the cream lipsticks. Oh, and that'll look beautiful. It's kind of like a brown. This has a little bit of a red undertone, but it's very, very pretty. So I'm gonna pop this on really quick. Oh yeah, I really like this with this look. I love this lip with this look. It just kind of gives it almost a little bit of a grungier edge with the brown lip. I really like this. I think this is just a fun overall combo. I think the palette bingo gods were on my side today. I like the vibe they were going for with this look. I just love this lip formula. It's so creamy and comfortable. So yeah, let's zoom out and we will finish up this video. All right, welcome back in full color. I hope you like my look. Let me know what you think of it. I think it came out really pretty. I think the palette bingo gods were on my side today. I think this look came out really cute, but I would love to hear your thoughts. Again, just a reminder that the site-wide sale is happening for 3 days, November 26th through November 28th, 40% off of everything, and you can use my affiliate code battybean for an additional 10% off of everything except the legendary Diversa collection. Oden's Eye, thanks again so much for partnering with me on this video. I would love to hear all of your thoughts. Is there anything from Oden's Eye you're interested in picking up? What do you already own from them? I would love to hear your thoughts down below. If you made it to the end of this video, I want you to give me a random emoji. Just scroll through the emojis without even looking and send me the first one that your finger clicks on. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything. I post every day on Instagram and I am fairly active on TikTok and Twitter as well. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.